Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael. And if Michael turns that camera around, you can see Teddy over there sitting on the table. You know, and I don't know where Ginger is. Ginger! Well, we don't know where Ginger is, but she'll come around. She's probably barking outside.
Here she comes.
On a window or something. There she is. Hi, Ginger. Come here, Mama. Come on, hop on, Mama. I'm not going to pet you right now because I just washed my hands. We're going to be doing cookies, but Mama loves you. Go on now. Look at the other one. Here he comes because he gets jealous this one. You see? Look, come on. Do the same thing. I love you too. Now you go on now. Go on. Okay, guys. Okay, thanks for coming back. And as you can see, for the holidays, I love cookies. That might sound loving, but I like to smell them and I like to make them.
That's right.
But since I'm not a good baker, because I'm not going to say that I'm a good baker.
No, she's a great baker. She's a great baker, guys. Yes, she is.
I bought these Pillsbury. I think it was $2.27.
$2.28.
Yeah, and it was 12 cookies.
Yes.
And these are Reese's Pieces peanut butter cookies.
That's right. Everyone's favorite buttercup.
And it says to set your oven on 350, which we did already.
Check that out.
And then it also says the cook time is between 11 and 17 minutes.
But we know that's a lie.
But if you can put the camera there and it tells you what time?
14 to 18 minutes.
To 18,
so
but
about
that
20
depends.
minutes.
When it says that, that means that depends.
That means 20 minutes.
On what type of oven you have. So my oven, I know it takes like 20 in my oven to cook. So I just set it on 20, but we're going to start putting these here.
All right.
I think we can all fit them over there.
I think so, too.
And you can put them in the fridge. You have to make sure that when you take them out of the fridge, they're ready. They're still a little bit hard, you know, and not melting because they're going to get big. You know, they're going to. So I'm just trying to have
real big.
5, 6, 7.
These are not little cookies, guys.
8, 9, 10. What do you think? Like that?
Perfect.
Right? Those like that.
That's right. You want to give him some space.
I want to give him some space, but I think we can put, you know.
Because they're going to get a lot of size on them.
Yeah, but we can put one. There you go. I think that's going to be perfect.
All right.
So we're going to put them in the oven. Here we go, guys. And we're going to have peanut butter Reese's Pieces cookies. And I'm going to put these on the top.
All right.
And I think I'm going to put these in the fridge.
Yeah.
Until those come out. Then when those come out, we'll put these in. Okay? That's what we're going to do.
All right.
So I'm going to put this in the fridge.
That's right.
Now, just for a little bit.
Put it in. Right, that's right.
Now let them stay nice and cool. There you go. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to let you guys go. We're going to come back in 18 minutes. And your cookies will be done after your time is done. But keep in mind that you got to keep an eye on your cookies. Sometimes it takes less time on certain types of ovens. Like if you have a fire oven versus an electric, the temperature is different. Or whether an older stove than a newer stove. So your cookies are ready when you see them around the edge. The brown edge.
Like crusty.
Exactly. It looks like a cookie, nice and crunchy. That means it's time to come out. You pull them out, put them on the top, let them stay a few minutes, take one out, and eat them warm.
And voila.
My kids and my husband, they like them nice and warm coming out of the oven. So we'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us. You know where: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Google Plus, Pinterest. I mean, we're everywhere.
Patreon.
So we'll see you back in 17 minutes and 10 seconds. Thanks for watching. And they're done. That's it. Okay. So let me get a rag. So Michael's back. There we go. We're beeping, Mike.
That's right. There are the other cookies.
Okay, guys.
We're taking the.
He's getting another. Oh, what was that? You okay?
Oh, yep. I'm good.
Yeah, he's getting a thing.
I am good.
Wow,
I am
they
good.
are
Whoa.
absolutely. Move a little bit, please.
Fabulous.
They look beautiful.
Fabulous. Fabulous.
And we'll be right back when we have them all ready. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, these are beautiful. Just want you guys to see these as I put them together on the plate. Oh, just amazing. We're back, and this is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's gonna do that Magical beeping, right?
Beep, 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 beep.
Okay, so we're gonna take these out. Michael, can you move for a second, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Don't try this at home if you're not a professional chef or a
The
baker.
only reason why I like to leave them extra,
Yes.
as you can see the other ones over there, these are
Yes.
already dry, you know?
Yes.
But I like them a little bit like more crunchy to the bite. Not for me, but
Crunchy now,
I
crunchy
say
now.
the boys and my husband, that's how they like him.
That's right.
If you want them softer, like a softer taste to it, when you bite, a softer bite, you know, all you gotta do is just.
Well, some people like soft
you can-
cookies.
You can cook them for the time that it tells
Some
you.
people like crunchy.
You know, but just keep an eye on them and
Preference,
just keep them
preference.
on time and you should be fine.
Yeah.
But this is what they're gonna look like. These are your peanut butter Reese's Pieces cookies. You get 12 of them.
That's right.
And I think I'm missing one, Michael.
Well, Dad had one.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It was 12 cookies for $2.27, something
Or
like
28
that.
cents.
And there you have it, guys. So go on to your nearest supermarket and get your cookies, your Reese's Pieces peanut butter cookies. They smell. Oh, you don't even have to like get air freshener or any of that stuff because it smells fabulous in here, doesn't it, Michael?
That's right.
And I'm gonna be making some cupcakes in a little bit, so don't go too far. Don't drink and drive. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Look us up on Google Plus, on Pinterest, and on what's the name of that other?
Tumblr.
And Tumblr also.
And Patreon.
And all over Patreon.
Everywhere.
You can donate if you want. Just scroll down, hit Patreon. And if not, you can just go to this really good dog food that we have for dogs right now. It's called livesabundance.com for the ones that are just tuning in and haven't seen my show. /for all. And you can click on that and it will take you directly to the website where you can buy dog food, you can buy bones, you can buy toys. They're hot, so we're taking them out as we speak, people. And you know, for your little ones, for your love fussy little animals. I have my 2 over here staring at me. Michael, you can look, show them right now. Look at them. They're staring at Mama because they think they're gonna have some of not at that girl. Mama's gonna cut you guys some carrots. I know you're looking pretty over there. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. Try to make your cookies and love you all. Have a great night.